it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I wanted to make a quick video for you guys on all of the wood cook stoves that heat domestic hot water. We do have our website categorized that you can click, certain options you're looking for square footage, hot water options, etc. That'll sort the results. I know a lot of people are finding us on YouTube, so I am trying to make your online shopping experience as easy as possible. I don't have really a lot of these domestic water stoves in my showroom at this point in time, so we will input those products that have them and links to the products in the video. So let's start off with number one. The Hiko cook stoves do offer domestic hot water. Hiko stoves have two models, the 520 and the 420. The 520 is going to be the largest wood cook stove on the market that heats domestic hot water. That stove could heat up to 3,000 square feet, depending on how well insulated the home is. The smaller 420 model in that line is going to heat like 2,000, up to 2,000, maybe 2,500 square foot, depending on your insulation, climate, etc. Next, we do have the North wood cook stove, which has a domestic water coil option. Third, the Bun Baker stoves. These will be limited. We still have models available with domestic hot water. They are limited edition. Once they are gone, they will not be available anymore. What's unique about the Bun Baker stove, when you add that water jacket in, it replaces the fire brick in the rear of the stove, and those cutouts are already made in the stove for the water coil. Once those cutouts are made, there's no plugs to seal it back up. So once you get a Bun Baker with hot water, it's always going to be hot water. It always has to have water circulating through it. I should also mention on the North stove, which was my number 2 mention, that one you are responsible to install the coil yourself, okay? So we send you the coil and we send you instructions on how to do it. You do have to cut a hole in the rear of the stove, and then again, once you cut that hole, there's no plugs for it. The third model will be Pioneer stoves. Now, Pioneer currently has 2 cook stoves available. The first one we'll talk about is the Pioneer Princess. The Pioneer Princess is their largest cook stove in their line, which is going to heat 2,000, maybe 2,500 square feet, depending on your climate and insulation. Next, below that, we have the Baker's Choice by Pioneer as well. That has domestic hot water capabilities as well. Baker's Choice is more of an economy model. It's going to be like a flat painted stove, kind of like this one shown next to me, no kind of porcelain in it. And that is what they call their economy model. Basically, all the handles are going to be like super simple, black, no frills. So so far we have the Hiko, the North, the Bun Baker stoves, and the Pioneer stoves. Number 5 on our domestic hot water list is actually going to be the Elmira Fireview. I cannot believe I almost forgot that. This is one of my most favorite stoves. As far as antique styling goes, it's pretty much the only antique styled stove on the market. Love the Elmira Fireview. It does have the option for the plumbed in domestic hot water coil. So if you're looking for hot water options, definitely be sure to check out that model. I do believe that at this time, that is all that we currently have available for wood cook stoves with a baking oven that offer a domestic water jacket. Other stoves could potentially be modified to include it by installing a custom water coil. You do need to keep in mind, if you modify any stove that does not have that as a stated option, you're voiding your warranty on the stove, and you're also voiding your UL listing on the stove. So then you take over responsibility for that. So those are things to keep in mind. We do have other models that are not wood cook stoves that offer domestic hot water. So if you guys are interested, I can make a video on that topic as well. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget, give us a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.